Hi everybody, summer it's here and today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior and they are limited edition. Look at my face, look at how glowing and my eyes look so spectacular. Yes, I am makeup artist who's 20 years teaching you step by step how to look fabulous and pretty after 45. And I promise I will teach you very easy way how to do your eyes and make them look beautiful like mine. First product, I'm gonna use Dior Star Glow filter. Why? This product gonna make my skin glowing even, and I will use way less foundation. I'm gonna apply on the entire of my face, and this is product, it's a magic. I like to apply this product with my hand, and again I am applying on my face. It looks like foundation, it's even my skin, but it's not foundation. Look at this glow. After Star filter, I'm gonna use concealer, and this is Christian Dior Backstage concealer. I'm gonna apply right here, I'm gonna apply right here, and I'm gonna use beauty blender. This concealer looks pretty. Again, so many people reviewing products. I'm not just reviewing, I'm teaching you step by step how to create a look. This is why my channel a little bit different than everyone. Now I'm gonna use foundation Christian Dior Forever Skin Glow, medium to full coverage. And I'm not gonna apply on the entire my face, only where I need. I knew I need to cover this area because I can still see little my discoloration pigmentation and just a little bit right here. But because we use this filter, glow filter, I don't need to apply on the entire my face because this filter is basically filter my face. It's make any sense. And I'm gonna use BK Beauty brush 101. I love this brush. I actually reached this company and say, hi, can you send to me your brushes? I really like, but looks like I'm not too famous, they just ignore me, but they don't even know I sell more than $500,000 at Nordstrom. Foundation, it's done. Again, I apply it on my cheek, I apply a little bit right here. I don't need to apply here, I don't need to apply on my nose, but I have something else to show you. I usually color 2 in Christian Dior, but because I have discoloration pigmentation, I went 1 color up, it's 3, and it's a little bit too dark, but I have a big like fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna slightly blend this, and look at this. It looks so pretty, right? For my bronze, I'm using brand Tarte. It's my favorite, and I do not apply this product on my face. I like to put on my brush because it looks way more better. Time for me to set my makeup, and I'm gonna use loose powder from Christian Dior and big bronzing brush from North, but I love this brush is for my powder. Now let me fill my eyebrows, and then we're gonna do eyes. Oh girls, this is gonna be so pretty. I have 2 palettes. One, it's definitely really warm, and it's number 333 Coral Flame. We see a lot of golds here, bronze here. I love this bright orange and yellow colors. Of course, I will swatch for you. And this palette, it's a little bit more cool, and this palette, it's Pastel Glow number 933. We have a beautiful lilac like lavender color. This here, if you not yet know, violet, purple, lavender colors. This is the hottest colors for the summer. This is palette 933 Pastel Glow, $70, satin finish, pigments. Girls, this palette, it's not gonna give you much pigment, but I will teach you how to use this palette and what products to use to bring these pigments, because $70 it is kind of pricey, right? I really want you to see a true color for these palettes. I'm gonna use on my hand eyeshadow primer from MAC Painterly. It's pretty nude color, and by the way, I will apply on my eyelid and I will swatch because I really want you to see this eyeshadow colors. This is color 933 Pastel Glow. Because I use primer now, I hope guys you can see colors, but again the light, it's not much pigment, the more satin shimmer, not much sparkles, but I can see a shimmer, very pretty, very glowing, light, beautiful lavender, light like a little bit pinky gold, more orangey gold. I love this brown. It's have a little bit like a reddish, and I can see a little bit pinky tone, and then the lighter color here, it's kind of a little bit unusual. I feel it's a little bit, I have a green tint or maybe slightly even blue, not blue, it's more a little bit like light white with green undertone. But let's try this palette. I'm gonna use on my eyes today. I cannot wait to play with these colors and create beautiful look for you. I hope you're having fun, because we're gonna use right now eyeshadow palette. First step, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC Painterly on entire my eyes. If you want to see a color, if you want eyeshadow stay all day long, not run, not crease, you must use eyeshadow primer. Plus, I already know, and you too, this palette don't have much pigment. Let's magic begin. I'm gonna use concealer, and I'm applying concealer on small concealer brush. I'm applying right here concealer, little bit, and then I put in my head down and I go up. Right here you can see it's a mark of my concealer, and I push in this concealer exactly where is my mark ends. And I also will apply on entire my eyelid now, same concealer. Now you can see obviously where is concealer on my eyelid. I don't put too much, but I put enough to see a difference. I'm gonna use blending brush from Sigma, and this is brush, it's E49 medium blending brush, and we're gonna use with you this beautiful gold eyeshadow first. If you see your concealer a little bit creasing, use your finger and absorb a little bit. And I apply this darker color above my concealer. I apply very softly this darker color above my concealer. This is our first color. Again, we're applying above my concealer. It's not too dark, but I do want to build a little bit contrast. We have with the first color, and now we're gonna use this beautiful lavender color. I have a flat brush, and I'm adding a lot of this color on my brush. And now I'm gonna just press to my lower lid, and I'm gonna put this eyeshadow on my concealer. I really wanna build a little bit color here. Wow, I truly see this lilac color. It is really, really beautiful. And let's do it again. It's so easy, right? But before I'm gonna apply this lilac eyeshadow, I'm gonna use one more time my finger and absorb concealer. And again, more this color. And all what I do, just pressing, layering and building, layering and building. Wow, look at how pretty and how easy this, right? If it's this easy for you, let me know, because I'm not a bit reviewing product. I'm more person who teaching you step by step how to create a beautiful look. I don't want you to waste money. Everybody can come and buy and read about colors, but I'm here for you to teach you how to use beautiful eyeshadow or products, which one you purchasing. And now, wait, I have something important for you to show. I have my beauty blender and I have little bit concealer. I apply concealer on my beauty blender, and now I want to just little bit clean my eyeshadow. It's gonna give me this extra lift. It's gonna look more polished, it's more lifted, and it just looks way more better if you're gonna do and clean your eyeshadow this way. Now, another important step, I'm gonna curl my lashes right now first before applying any eyeliner, pencil or liquid, because if you're gonna apply eyeliner first and then curl your lashes, usually you will mess your eyeliner. And now I apply Trish Mark-Voy eyeliner, and it's a gel liner. It's my favorite liner to use for the waterline or between my lashes. Now, same eyeliner I'm gonna apply close to my lashes right here on the top. Now I have eyeliner brush from Bobbi Brown, and I'm just gonna slightly little bit soft and smudge my eyeliner. Wow, eyeliner looks so pretty. It's make my eyes a little bit more flirty and I'll say sexy. Wow, look at my eyes, so beautiful. I hope you're enjoying this little lesson. Let me know. Now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner. If you struggle with liquid eyeliner, this is look, it's already good enough, but I want extra. Okay, liquid eyeliner from Christian Dior, and it's a waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply this liquid eyeliner very close to my lashes, but I'm not applying all the way to the end, kind of a little bit right here on the center. It looks little bit more pop color, and it's gonna little bit more lift my eyes, and again will little bit more pop my eye. It looks very pretty this way. Let's finish this eye look. I'm gonna use primer from Christian Dior and Dior Show mascara. I need lots of volume. Christian Dior brush, it's really big and huge, and I need something little bit smaller for my low lashes. I'm gonna use Gucci mascara. I love this brush, good separation, and it's very easy to use on the bottom. My eyes, it's done. Let's put little bit glow, and I feel I want today some brighter lip color. I'm gonna use by Laura Mercier highlighter, and this is Devotion. I like this. It's like a pinky highlighter, and I'm using actually concealer brush from North, but I love this brush for my highlighter. I'm gonna just put little bit right here. A little bit right here, a little bit right here. Highlighter, it's done, and now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna do my lips first because after my lips I will feel feel. Do I want more pinky blush, more peachy blush, or orange blush? You never know. Let's do the lip first. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, the Queen, and I will apply on the entire my lips. I knew my lipstick gonna stay all day long, not run, not crease. And then I'm gonna put just in the center Lip Maximizer 007 from Christian Dior. My lips it's done and they're really bright. Again, I'm gonna apply just lip gloss from Christian Dior 007. For my blush, I'm using Chanel. This is its limited edition blush, but it's still available for sale. I will put link below. Again, we have two colors here, one pinky, one little bit more orangey. I love this blush and it's go really soft. It's not like a heavy blush like screaming colors. I love this. Wow, I love this soft blush. Again, it's limited edition, but it's still available for sale. If you like this look, please give me like, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. Again, bye everyone.